Hey there. Power BI Desktop is an application that you can download and install and create your reports easily from your desktop. Power BI Service is a service that you can publish to on the cloud or on the internet that allows others to then be able to view your reports pretty much from any device. So ultimately, once you've designed your report, you're going to want to publish it to Power BI Service. So I go to the Home tab and here's my Publish button. I might just save my Power BI file first. If I click the Publish button, it will ask me where I want to publish to. If you've got the free version of Power BI, you'll only have the option My Workspace. But if you've got the paid version, then you can actually create a number of workspaces you want to publish to. So I'm just going to publish it to My Workspace and select that. You already have, that's just telling me I've published it once before, so I'm just going to replace it. Let it publish and then wait for the success message. Here's the success message. I can now open it and have a look at it in Power BI Service, which is an internet-based application. Let me just bring this over. Here it is here. All right, so Power BI Service, loading your report, this is what you publish to, and this is what you can share with others. It gives me a date that I published it, and it's just taking a little while to come through. But here we have the ability to move between the pages in our report, and people can now see what's going on, and I can just click the button. Notice I don't need to hold the control key because I'm not in Power BI Desktop, I'm actually in the published report. They can easily filter just using the slices, and they can easily navigate using any of the buttons. And so once you've finished your report in Power BI Desktop, publish it to your Power BI service. Now if I close that, what you've also got is this option here, Get Quick Insights. This is actually really good because it actually gives you ideas about what you maybe should include in your report. It looks at your data, searches for insights, and it might take a little while, but it might give you some really good ideas about what you could add to your report to really improve what it's trying to tell you. And these are great ideas about what you could add to your report. And you can simply choose these buttons here to focus on it, or click this to pin this visual into your Power BI report. I'm going to close this and then I'm just going to say got it. So I've published to Power BI Service.